Today is the first day of school. Let's see if all things needed are packed. Backpacks, water bottles. The shoes look clean, they look fresh and well taken care of. Everything is ready. It's a big day, the first day of school. The children are excited and a little nervous.
Just give me 5 minutes. Please give me 5 more minutes.
You said that 10 minutes ago. Come on, you don't want to be late on the first day.
Okay.
Mother, please let me sleep a little longer. I feel so tired. Just 5 more minutes, please.
It's time to wake up. You'll be late for school. Come on, get up now and start getting ready. No more sleeping. Look at the sunshine. It is a beautiful day. Now get ready and go to school.
Mother, the sun is shining so bright. It's too bright for me to open my eyes. Okay, I am getting up. Give me a moment to sit up.
Brush up and down, round and round. Make sure you clean every tooth carefully.
I am brushing up and down. And now I'll do round and round too. Are you done? It's time to get dressed for school now.
Here are your uniforms, fresh and clean. Now hurry up and get dressed for school.
The summer vacation was too short, Mom. I'm not ready for school. I wish I could have a few more days to relax. I want to go to the beach again. Can we plan another trip soon?
I understand, dear. We all love holidays, but vacations cannot last forever. School is important and it's time to get back to learning.
You are right, Mom. I'll get ready for school now.
Think about all your friends. Don't you miss them? Seeing them again will be so much fun. See, it will be fun. You'll enjoy being back with your friends.
I'm really quick. Look at me. I'll do button 1, then button 2. All finished. Now I'm all set.
Hey, you're not buttoning your shirt properly. Let me help you fix it. There, all fixed. Now you look smart and neat. You also look clean and well-dressed.
Okay, you are dressed now. Now please have your breakfast.
Mom, I look handsome. I feel happy about how I look today.
This food is very yummy. I like eggs. It makes me feel hungry and happy.
It smells so good. The food is nice. It's nice.
Eggs and toast help your brain grow and work well. They give you energy to study and think clearly.
Okay, Mom.
The sun is peeking over the hill. The birds are singing, the world is still. Stretch your arms, give a little wiggle. Time to start with a happy giggle.
Okay, children, the school is just around the corner.
It's been a long time since I saw my friends.
You can see them now at school.
What about you, dear? Are you still nervous?
Yes, Mother, I am nervous, but I will do my best.
Oh dear, everyone is nervous on the first day, but it will get better soon. Everyone will be happy if you smile first, and you will make new friends quickly.
All right, that helps me feel more confident, and I'm ready to try my best.
Okay, children, here we are.
Have a wonderful day at school, dear children.
Everything here seems so different, but I'm sure I'll get used to it soon.
Hi there, how are you? How was your vacation?
Hi.
My vacation was wonderful. How was yours? I hope you had a great time too.
Hi.
I can't believe it's their first day already.
I know, they've grown up so fast. Did you see how nervous they looked?
Yes, but they were also excited. I hope they make new friends.
I just hope they're happy.
They'll come home with lots of stories to tell.
The children ran through the door, their faces lighting up with smiles. Stories of new friends, exciting lessons, and little adventures spilled out as they hugged their parents tightly. The house was filled with laughter, chatter, and the happy buzz of a day well spent.